Hello, welcome to Farsi channel. Salam, haale, shoma, chetore. Today I'm walking in a trail near Charles River in Boston, and I wanted to just talk to you about some of the things that we can see here and learn some phrases about the nature maybe. Are you ready, guys? So let's begin. I'm walking in this park. Park in Farsi is like English, we say it paark. Beautiful park near Charles River. It's called یک پارک زیبا در کنار rood'khaane Charles. rood'khaane, river. rood'khaane, river. Kenaar is a word for near or close to. Kenaar, or along the river. Paark is a word for park. Easy, right? A green park. Barg'haaye, sabz. Yeah, if you come in winter time, probably it's kind of gloomy here, so it wouldn't be green. So river, rood'khaane, rood'khaane. Park, park. You got that? How about near, along the river? nazdeek rood'khaane. Nazdeek for the word kenaar. How about trees? Trees. Do you remember what was the word for tree? Tree. Derakht. Trees. derakht'haa. How about the leaf? Leaf. barg'e. barg'e. barg, leaf. derakht, tree. You got that? That's cool. How about green leaves? Green leaves. Green, sabz. Leaves, barg'haa. Barg is singular. By adding ha at the end of nouns, we make it plural. Barg, barg'haa. If we want to say green leaves, we say barg'haaye sabz. barg'haaye sabz. Say it. barg'haa, barg'haaye sabz. How about yellow? Yellow leaves. Yellow is zard. Yellow is zard. Yellow is zard. barg'haaye zard for yellow leaves. Good job. What about green leaf? One leaf. Yeah, green leaf. Leaf was barg, and green sabz. Good job. Barg'e sabz. You got that right? How about river? Do you remember the word for river? rood'khaane. rood'khaane. Tree. Tree. derakht. How would you say green tree? Or a tree with green leaves? Let's learn a new word for with. With. Ba. Ba. let's say I'm in this park with my friend. I'm here in this park with my friend. With my friend. با دوستم. Friend, doost. Friend, doost. My friend is over there actually. Friend, doost. My friend. Doostam. Doostam. I'm here in this park with my friend. من اینجا هستم با دوستم. With my friend. با دوستم. There's a bug here. Bug. There's a fly actually. Fly. Magas. Magas. There's a fly around my ear. یه مگس دور گوشم میچرخه. یه مگس. Fly. One fly. مگس. یک مگس. Two flies. دوتا مگس. دوتا مگس. You got that, right? Cool. So to recap, we have learned some random words about nature. We learned what's the word for river, rood'khaaneh. What's the word for tree, derakht'haa. Good. What color is the tree? It is green. Sabz, derakht'haa sabz. How about yellow leaves? You remember the word for leaf? Leaf. Barg'e. Green leaf. Barg'e sabz. Yellow leaf. Barg'e zard. Zard for yellow. Do you remember what was the word near or along? Something along the road or along the river. در کنار. در کنار. در کنار means I'm walking along the river. من راه میرم در کنار رودخانه. در کنار رودخانه. رودخانه river. کنار. در کنار, alongside, along the river. Good job. Yeah. I would love to hear how's your experience going with learning Farsi. What are the things that is the most challenging part of that, and what are the things that you want to learn next? I know sometimes it's challenging to learn a new language, especially if you don't practice that, but it is also a good opportunity to share your experience with others. Leave a comment down below. If there's anything confusing, you have questions about this video or other videos, please leave it in the comment section below. Down below. Yeah, I would love to see that. There are some native speakers also in this channel, so you can post your questions there and they can help you. Just be passionate, enjoy learning a new language and new phrases, and hope you have a great time, guys. روز خوبی داشته باشین. Have a good day. روز خوبی داشته باشین. And see you soon. به امید دیدار. Bye bye.